I am Dr. Vishakha, a consultant from the Department of Gynecology at Fernandez Hospital. I am here to answer some frequently asked questions on cervical cancer and screening. Cervical cancer occurs when the cancer affects the cervix, the lower part of the uterus. Any female with a cervix can develop cervical cancer at any age, but it is most commonly diagnosed in women between the ages of 35 and 45, with the highest risk around age of 50. In India, cervical cancer is the third most common cancer and the second leading cause of cancer death. The primary cause of cervical cancer is the human papilloma virus HPV, with HPV types 16 and 18 causing 70% of cases globally. Other risk factors include family history, smoking, multiple pregnancies, early sexual activity, and HIV infection. Understanding cervical cancer is crucial because it can take about 10 years for the cancer to develop from preliminary stage. Symptoms of cervical cancer include severe pelvic pain, postmenopausal bleeding, bleeding after intercourse, intermenstrual bleeding, and foul vaginal discharge. Cervical cancer is screened using two methods, Pap smears and HPV testing. In India, any female over 21 years who has been sexually active for more than a year should get a Pap smear. Pap smears should be done every 3 years, while HPV tests, when combined with Pap smears, should be done once every 5 years. Pap smears and HPV tests are done through internal examinations using a speculum. A liquid sample is collected with a brush and sent to the lab. The results typically take 2 to 5 days and are interpreted by a pathologist. The gynecologist may recommend further action such as a biopsy depending on the results. Cervical cancer is largely preventable, and early detection ensures it can be completely treated. The HPV vaccine offers the best protection when given between the ages of 9 and 26. It can also be given to women up to 45 years of age if the Pap smear test is negative. The vaccine is given in 3 doses, and while not suitable for pregnant women, it is perfectly safe for breastfeeding mothers. The HPV vaccine is available at Fernandez Stockholm and all our outpatient clinics at Necklace Road, Hyderguda and Miapur. Do comment or message us if you have any questions. To schedule your vaccination, call 1-800-419-1397 today. Thank you.